Why should you go to jazz night?
So you get out. So you can hear some cool stuff like this, like a little. All right, we're here with
Noah Griffin.
And why should people go to jazz night?
Because it's going to be a night to remember.
A night to
like
remember.
the Boston Tea Party. But better.
We're here with.
Daniel Brito.
And why should you come to jazz night?
To bring me some. We're gonna play some pretty cool music, some instruments like this, and yes, bring me some food, please. I'm hungry.
I think it's time we close. Get everybody in the stuff together.